Hey y'all, what's up? It's Jessica. Welcome back. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Today's video is about how I like to prepare my scalp for wig wearing. As you guys know, I'm a fun natural who likes to dabble in wigs. Okay, wigs are like my go-to. Well, wigs and like braids. Those are like my go-to things whenever I want to give my hair a break, you know, and explore different looks. However, I find that sometimes doing so causes my scalp to become super dry. And I already have dry scalp from begin with, but it just seems like it enhances the dandruff and the dryness. So in this video, I partnered with As I Am. Thank you, As I Am, for sponsoring this video. I'm gonna be introducing to you guys their dry and itchy scalp care. I don't know about you guys, but dry and itchy scalp, it's one of the most annoying things, okay, about even having braids in your hair or extensions or wigs or just like wearing your own hair. I know a lot of naturals are not new to the As I Am brand. A lot of like my kinky hair naturals have sworn by their products and say that the products give them moisture, gives them definition. So I could not wait to try this one out, especially because it's for dry and itchy scalp, a problem I seem to have often. These products are formulated with olive oil and tea tree oil, and each of those ingredients plays a huge role in soothing and preventing dandruff. For example, olive oil is anti-inflammatory, it's soothing to the scalp, it's moisturizing, and it's also an antioxidant. So super good ingredients, okay? So let's talk about dandruff real quick. So what is dandruff? Dandruff is basically a rapid buildup of dead skin cells caused by fungus, yuck, and it's activated by feeding on oil or sebum. So that's what it does. Have you noticed that when you put oil on your scalp, if you ever had dandruff and you're thinking, I'm gonna put this oil on my scalp and you know my dandruff is just gonna disappear, it's just gonna go away, I'm gonna be fine. And then like 5 seconds later, she's like there like, hey sis, what's good? It's because it feeds off of oil. So oil does not get rid of dandruff. It may mask it for like a few seconds, but she'll be back like, hey. That's why this line is so good, because it attacks that dandruff, girl. It reduces irritation and inflammation. It cleans your scalp and clogged pores. It also treats dermatitis, and I know I even have a daughter who suffers from eczema, and eczema comes in various forms. There's sometimes scalp eczema and or you can call it dermatitis, and that's like dry patches and dryness of the scalp. So this is going to treat you, girl. I have 3 products from this collection. I have a shampoo, a leave-in conditioner, and a co-wash, and I'm going to be using all 3 to prepare my hair for my wig installation. So if you want to see what the As I Am dry and itchy scalp care is going to do for my scalp, then let's dive into the video. I'm going to start off by using the olive and tea tree oil shampoo. Here she is right here. It smells pretty good. It smells very cleansing. One thing that I was taught by one of my stylists, Felicia Leatherwood, she's like the natural hair, you know, connoisseur, okay? She is very knowledgeable on natural hair. When she was doing my hair, my scalp was very like dry and full of dandruff. She told me to apply my shampoo to my scalp first and let it kind of like sit on my scalp. Without water, just massage my shampoo into my scalp and let it sit for a moment. So I'm gonna do that today. And she said what this does is really concentrate on the scalp, and it gives the scalp time to absorb the product, because the water kind of rinses it away from the scalp. So if you have dandruff, then you kind of want to start it on dry hair, because it's going to allow the scalp to absorb it and all that good stuff. I think it's important to like concentrate on our scalp, even if you're doing like your regimen, like your wash regimen. Take a moment to really concentrate and treat your scalp. And I love the fact that the shampoo is creamy, because for somebody with dry scalp, the last thing you need is something drying. You don't need that. Or for someone who has color treated hair and a dry scalp, oh my god, that's like a disaster. So I love the fact that this is creamy. Okay, so my hair is saturated with the shampoo. I'm gonna allow that to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse it out with water and then come back to the conditioning process. Okay, so I just washed out the shampoo, and this is my hair so far. It does not feel dry or stripped. It actually feels super like soft and like moisturized. So I'm going to condition my hair with the co-wash. Now, co-wash is a conditioner, a conditioning cleanser, but it's also obviously the base of it is a conditioner. So it's gonna still give me like that moisture. I'm gonna take this and apply it to my hair. Yeah, you guys should definitely check out these products. They're available nationwide at Sally's, so head over to your nearest Sally's, girl, because what I'm saying is you're gonna love this. You're gonna be like, this is what my scalp has been missing. Literally, you're gonna feel that way. I'm just gonna put a shower cap over my head and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, rinse it out, come back, and then we'll move on to the next step. So lastly, I'm going to use this leave-in conditioner. This is the olive and tea tree oil leave-in conditioner. So I'm gonna apply this to my hair. And what it says it does, it eases wet combing, it adds moisture and shine to your hair. It also improves manageability of the hair, prepares the hair for styling, and it avoids flaking. Thank God. And then I'm just going to apply this to my hair. I'm really just trying to maintain the health so that my hair can, you know, flourish and thrive and basically gain its strength back. And even try to preserve the ends, because the ends are, as you can see, like my color is growing out. So trying to preserve the ends until I decide that I want to do something with my hair again. Alright, so leave-in conditioner applied to my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and off camera blow dry my hair so that my hair is stretched, so that I can cornrow it down, girl, because we are going to put on a wig. Now that our scalp is clean, girl, she is prepared for wig wearing. All right, y'all, so this is my hair all blown out. My hair feels so soft. Like, my hair feels soft, but my scalp, girl, she is cleansed. My scalp feels so good. Like, I want you guys to look. Can you see the scalp? So there's absolutely no buildup in my scalp. She feels so clean, cleansed, light, unclogged, refreshed, and now she is prepared to be in her protective style mode. So I'm gonna braid my hair all the way back and I will return. Okay. All right, y'all, so I am back with my hair cornrowed. I went ahead and braided my hair all the way back. I'm not the best braider, so, which is why I didn't want to come on camera and show you how I braid, because it's not a braiding tutorial, okay? These products are definitely the truth, and they really do prevent dandruff and dry scalp, especially from someone who suffers from it. So you definitely have to check this out. If you are a wig wearer, it's so imperative that your scalp is protected before you put on wigs, because a dry, clogged scalp is only going to cause issues of breakage at the root, girl. We don't want breakage, period, but especially at the root. This is a wig from my wig line that I made, and I love the fact that it is mesh, so it's easy for my scalp to breathe, because again, clogged scalp causes sweat, causes fungus, causes dandruff, and then the cycle repeats itself. I literally just put it on. I don't care about no edges, girl. Easy going, easy breezy. Alright, y'all, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed me showing you how I like to prepare my scalp using the As I Am Dry Itchy Scalp Care. This literally, girl, is gonna be your best friend. I know a lot of naturals and just people with hair in general that suffer from dry itchy scalp. I'm definitely going to have my husband use this because he has grown his natural hair and he suffers from like dry scalp, so he's gonna be using this. I'm gonna have to hide it because he be trying to use all my products. Again, you can find these products at Sally's Beauty, and I think this is a must-have in your hair care collection, especially for those who suffer from dry scalp. It's never fun, girl. And if you are a wig wearer or an extension wearer, whatever your choice of protective style, or if you wear your natural hair out often, this is something that you want to try, girl. I'm just saying. Be sure to check the description box for any information. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more videos. All right, y'all, that is all, and I thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.